The first discussion for Zero Trust on Windows concerns moving away from on-premises domain join and why commercial organizations should transition from this to Entra Join for their new Windows endpoints. This is a crucial topic as we move towards a more cloud-centric IT infrastructure. Let's dive into the technical details and benefits of making this shift. In the traditional IT environment, on-premises domain join has been standard for managing Windows endpoints. However, with the advent of cloud technologies and the increasing need for remote work capabilities, it's time to consider this approach. Entra Join, part of Microsoft's cloud-native solutions, offers a more flexible, secure, and efficient way to manage Windows devices. Let's dive into the specific weaknesses and shortcomings of on-premises domain join. Limited resource access. On-premises domain join requires devices to have a line of sight to the domain controller for initial sign-in and password changes. This can be problematic for remote workers, as they may face difficulties accessing corporate resources without a VPN connection. Complex management. Managing devices through on-premises Active Directory involves significant administrative overhead. IT administrators need to maintain and update domain controllers, manage group policy objects, and ensure network connectivity. This complexity increases the risk of misconfigurations and security vulnerabilities. Security risks. On-premises domain join relies on traditional security measures that may not be sufficient to protect against modern threats. For example, it lacks advanced security features like conditional access and identity protection, which are available in cloud-native solutions like Entra Join. Additionally, domain join devices are more susceptible to attacks if the domain controller is compromised. Scalability issues. As organizations grow and expand, scaling on-premises infrastructure becomes challenging. Adding new domain controllers, managing replication, and ensuring consistent policy enforcement across multiple locations can be cumbersome and costly. Cloud-native solutions, on the other hand, offer greater scalability and flexibility. Transitioning from on-premises domain join to Entra Join may seem daunting, but Microsoft provides comprehensive guides and tools to facilitate this process. Windows Autopilot, for example, streamlines the deployment of Entra Join devices, ensuring a smooth and efficient transition. In general, transitioning devices to Entra Join should be aligned with your organization's hardware refresh cycle to minimize impact to end users. The primary driver for this recommendation is that there is no supported path to convert an existing on-prem or hybrid joined Windows endpoint directly to Entra Join. They must be reset or reimaged, which normally has a significant impact on end users. Aligning the transition to cloud-native Windows with an organization's hardware refresh interval minimizes this user impact. In conclusion, moving from on-premises domain join to Entra Join for new Windows endpoints offers numerous benefits, including simplified management, enhanced security, seamless cloud integration, reduced administrative overhead, and greater scalability. As commercial organizations continue to embrace digital transformation, adopting Entra Join is a strategic move that aligns with modern IT practices and future-proofing your infrastructure.